Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Teresa and I'm the blogger behind moneycanbuylipstick.com. I have been wanting to start a YouTube channel for the longest time and I just never had the nerve. So when we finally completed this space, I thought what better way to kick off my channel than a complete tour of my brand new closet/office, or as I like to call it, Cloffice. So this is the IKEA Pax system and it's completely customizable, so you can, based on your space, decide how many units you want, if you want shelves, if you want drawers, whatever you want, it's completely up to you. I decided to get 2 small units on the side and 2 larger ones on the inside. The 2 outer ones are 19 inches and the 2 inner ones are 29 inches. In the first section, which is one of the skinnier units, I decided to do 4 shelves and 4 drawers. For the shelves, I just styled my different handbags that I have. I definitely didn't fill this unit up completely yet, but I'm going to get to it as time goes on. And then in the drawers, the first drawer I have some scarves and some pajamas, and then the next 3 drawers I actually used for office supplies and photography equipment because, like I said, this is going to be my closet/office, so it needs to function as both. In the second unit, which is slightly wider, I decided to do a shelf on top, which I did for every single unit, and then 2 clothing rods. Not all of my clothes are in here yet. I still have to transfer some from my bedroom closet into this room, but this is what I have for now. On top, I have some shirts, sweaters, and outerwear, and on the bottom, I have more outerwear and pants. Okay, so the third unit, which is another wider unit, is probably one of my favorites. I knew when I was creating this closet I wanted one unit to kind of be special and, you know, represent my personality and add a little decor to it, and this is definitely the one. So on top I did 2 shelves, and then in the middle I ended up keeping a lot of space in between and putting a glass shelf so I could display any type of things that were like mementos or special to me, like I said, just to add my personality, because even though this is a closet system, it's also part of a room, so I wanted everything to be cohesive and go together. So on this glass shelf, I have a memo board with some quotes and different things pinned to it, and then I have my shoes that I wore to my bridal shower a couple weeks ago on display just because they're so pretty and they're really special to me now. And then I have my sunglass stand, which this sunglass stand is one of my favorite buys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I am all about finding really great Amazon buys, and this is one of them, so I'll be sure to link that below. And then I have these eternity roses, which last for over a year and are so beautiful and smell incredible. And then I have a few little things like a candle, a coaster, and my ring box. Everything has B on it because I'm actually getting married next year, so I'm all about my new monogram. So right below the divider, I actually have 4 additional drawers. I decided to make 2 of them with the transparent front and then 2 of them just plain white. In the first 2 drawers, I have products that I'm either wanting to style or test or work on, and so I have just the prettier stuff up front so that when you pass the room you kind of see nice stuff and not clutter and chaos. And then in the bottom drawers I kept them plain because when I need to hide that clutter and chaos I can. And then in the last unit, which is another skinny unit, I did the 1 shelf on top, and then I just did a thin clothing rod to hang any type of long dress or long coat and keep that all organized. I didn't put anything on the bottom because, like I said, I wanted to keep this one really simple, and then that way if I ever have something that needs to be stored, I can store it right below. One of my tips when organizing your closet or creating a new closet space is to use really thin hangers. It allows you to fit as much as possible in a small space. So I actually have these clear acrylic ones, which I love because they're not only are they thin, but they look cohesive and chic, and I just think that they're a great addition to my closet since it's a closet without any doors. As I said, the system from IKEA is completely customizable, so you can add doors if you want. I chose not to because I wanted to have a more boutique feel and I wanted to be able to grab my stuff whenever I wanted and just have everything ready to go. I do have to say though that if you decide to go with outdoors like me, you have to be kind of careful because if it looks chaotic, the room's gonna look chaotic. So you just have to be more aware that everything is on display, which could be a good thing if you're organized, but could also look terrible if you're not. So just keep that in mind if you're designing your own system, and that might help you decide whether or not you should opt for doors or not. When I lived at home, I actually had a smaller version of this. It was 2 units and I had doors on it, and it looked great. And you can actually have fun with the doors. I didn't do this because it was my bedroom at home and I just didn't care too much, but I've seen people put custom gold hardware on it and make it look really upscale and really chic. I know the system is from IKEA, but it does not look like it is at all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you did, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notifications bell so that you're notified the next time I upload, which will hopefully be soon. I will link everything down below, but be sure to comment with any questions and I'd be happy to answer any of them.